Have you ever wondered what really happens when we die? Where does the soul go? What does it see? Who does it meet? Today, we'll walk through one of the most profound realities in Islam, the journey of the soul after death. This is not just a story, it's your future and mine. 1. The moment of death. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, when the believer is about to depart from the world, angels with bright faces come to him. For the righteous soul, angels descend with peace and mercy. The soul is gently taken, like water pouring from a jug. It smells sweeter than musk. For the wicked soul, harsh angels come, faces dark. The soul is ripped out like a thorn pulled through wet wool. Surah Al-Anfal says, if only you could see, when the angels take the souls of the disbelievers, striking their faces and backs. Though, the grave, Barzakh. After death comes Barzakh, the world between this life and the next. The soul hears the footsteps of those leaving the grave. 2 angels, Munkar and Nakir, question the soul. Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your prophet? For the believer, a window to Jannah opens. The grave is expanded and filled with light. For the sinner, a window to Jahannam opens. The grave becomes tight and filled with fear. Surah Taha says, but whoever turns away from my remembrance indeed, he will have a depressed life. 3. The trumpet and resurrection. Then comes the day of resurrection, Yom al-Qiyamah. Israfil will blow the trumpet twice. Destruction of all, resurrection of all creation. Humanity will rise from the graves barefoot, naked, uncircumcised. The sun will be above our heads. People will sweat according to their deeds. For some, sweat reaches ankles. For others it drowns them. Open book Hadith, Bukhari, says, the sun will come so close to mankind on the day of resurrection. 4. The judgment. Everyone's book of deeds will be handed. Right hand, success. Left hand, failure. Mizan, scale, will weigh your good and bad deeds. Even the smallest deed, a smile, a coin, a harsh word, will be counted. There will be the sirat, the bridge over hellfire. It is thinner than a hair and sharper than a sword. Only those with true faith and good deeds will cross it safely. Surah Al-Zalzala says, so whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it. And whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it. 5. Paradise or hell. Jannah, paradise. Gardens beneath which rivers flow. Eternal peace, no death, no pain. Meeting with Allah, the greatest reward. Jahannam, hellfire. Levels of torment based on deeds. A fire 70 times hotter than worldly fire. Eternal regret. The Prophet, peace be upon him, cried at night saying, O my Lord, save my Ummah. If this video touched your heart, share it. Let someone else reflect and prepare. Like, comment, and subscribe to continue learning and growing in Islam.